It's time to go retro with Grayscale. Now, I had a darkroom when I was like 10 years old, to be honest with you. I processed mostly black and white kind of stuff because color was just way in the film industry too precise for my darkroom. I farmed that kind of stuff out. Grayscale today is considered kind of being retro. Very popular, though. It's very popular. So what are we going to do? Well, we're going to look at Grayscale 101. Some of the methods that we can use to make all this happen. We'll let Photoshop first make the conversion for us. Show you some ways in Photoshop that Photoshop will say, boom, it's a grayscale for you. There you go. And we're going to talk about a better way where we control the conversion to grayscale, which is going to make it a whole lot better, trust me. I'm going to give you what I call my hybrid Ansel Adams effect. He was one of my heroes when I was growing up. I never had the chance to meet him, but I wish I had. But he did all those really cool photos. Everybody that's a photographer knows Ansel Adams. And basically, I'm going to give you my version of an effect that's all over the internet. Do this. Google Ansel Adams effect. And then wade through the millions of ways everybody thinks Ansel Adams stuff did. It's just working with high chromatic films, that's all. I'll show you a way that might kind of make it work for you. And finally, we'll look at creating a grayscale portrait. So that and a little bit more in Going Retro with Grayscale. Let's go.